In the name of God, I'm Rosa and I'm going to teach you how to make these 5 petal flowers. It's a kind of knot cushion. We need a braid that its length is 5.5 meters, as you see. Now I will start to knot. First, you should put the braid from the head that the dark side of the velvet is toward you. Put it this way and start knot. Pay attention to the seam of sewing, and always rotate the braid as the seam is toward the center of the flower. We should make such a thing. Rotate the braid so that the seam is this way. It will go through it this way, pull it out. Look at this. Make it smaller. Then put this way. The first of 5 petal flower is made now, as you see. Now we are going to make the second petals. So we follow the braid, as you see, and make the second petals. Look, the first is. Now I should follow this braid. Look, 1, 2. We're following this braid. Rotate the braid so that this seam is toward the center. Hide the seam of sewing. the last one. Now you see it's complete. You should organize the braids and look at the back of the work. We pull this from here and start sewing these two together.